Is your Windows Services startup type grayed off and immutable? We'll go over easy ways to regain control over those settings in this video. Open the search menu, type Services, and select Run as Administrator. If unable to modify grayed out services, open the search menu again, type CMD, and right-click Command Prompt to run as administrator. In the command prompt, type SFC/scano and press Enter to begin a system file scan. Once the scan completes, restart your computer. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.